I am super excited to share with you my new design ambassador package. It came today and this video will premiere tomorrow. So super excited. So they always send me a little card telling me what's in my kit and what I need to do. And then, so the first thing that I got is this beautiful strand. Look at those bohos. How beautiful. And I really like these crystals. So this is the Sweet Peach strand. Oh, and look at tiny. I got my tiny cage beads this month. Last month I had the large ones. Oh, and I like these. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. And then they sent me these really fun Feeling Rosy. Yes, Way Rosy Rose bead pair. I mean, how gorgeous are those? I'm really excited to make a pair of earrings out of those. They're just, I just really, yeah. And then here is they always keep it a secret from me even. So my special new kit for the month. So excited. Oh, ice cream mini bead mixes, and I got the strawberry cream. How fun does that look? Such cute packaging. Super cute. And I love these little circle containers too. So let's see. Oh, all taped together, of course. See if I can get it undone. Nope. Thought maybe I could twist it off. Sometimes I can. Sometimes that's good that it didn't come undone, untwisted, right? So I'll just open this up. And it's sticking to me everywhere. Sticking to me. I'll get this open at some point. There we go. See if that'll be enough. Nope. There's tape down here. They have this really well sealed. Get my nail in there. There you go. I think I'm getting it now. All right. I'm really excited. Look at how adorable this charm is. Oh my goodness, adorable. Oh, wow, look at that pink goodness. My friend Trisha over at Pink Poodle Jewelry Studio. Yeah, she would love this mix. Pinks and golds and some pearls. How beautiful is that? Wow, can't wait to find out what I come up with this kit. I'm super excited. Look at these crackly beads. And then I like these stripes. They're super cute. They do make me think of strawberry cream ice cream. Now I'm wanting to eat some ice cream. Oh, wow. Everything looks yummy. So yay! Excited to share with you what I make this coming month with my new kit. All right. Thanks for joining me today. Make sure you like and follow my page. Yeah, super excited, guys. Have a great day.